What's good, guys? Before you get any further into this video, I just want to inform you all that bear in mind this is a two-part series. Please ensure that you watch part 1 before watching this part, which is part 2. Part 1 is shown on the screen right now, and it is the video that I uploaded before this one, so you can go ahead and watch part 1 before watching this one, which is part 2. As part 2, this video is going to be a continuation of part 1. Go watch part 1 so you are up to date and in the loop. Okay, y'all, so your girl got through with making her birthday photo shoot dress the previous day, which was Sunday. On this very day today, what I'm doing is Monday. Yup, Monday. And Monday, what day is it? It's photo shoot day. So today, which is Monday, I have a hair appointment at 9:45 a.m. Then my photo shoot at 12 noon. So you already know there would be no time in between for me to get my makeup professionally done. So I just had to freestyle it on my own. I watched YouTube and TikTok and I came up with this look to match my dress, and that's what I'm finna try and do right now. Literally set the timer on and was like trying to get the makeup done within that time frame, but it didn't work out as planned. But you know, everything happens for a reason, as well as at the end of the day everything turned out well to me, so it was good. At this point your girl was getting antsy, like for real. I had to go off camera, do my makeup, ease the nervousness, ease the anxiety and all that. When the timer went off, this was how my face was looking. So this is me telling me I had to dip out the house real quick to make it to my hair appointment on time or early. This is me leaving my house vanish. Guys, so my things in catch me lash me open can wash off. This is me brushing. Wow, Rafaya, can you just sleep early? Oh, let me look at you. So time management. Okay, so yeah, I just reached downtown. Thanks be to God. It's 9:30 and the place not really far, so I just go and walk. So yeah, I'm early basically. So yeah, like I said, my makeup was not completed at home, so I took my makeup kit with me, and just before my hair appointment, as I was a bit early, I finished doing my makeup, and that was legit the best decision that I made, as you know, girl done in time. Okay, so yeah, this is me. I go run, go on store now because it's my time on black panties, so that already show under the Polaroid just because I don't think I'm gonna goldish looking on my hair. But yeah. Then I have to go walk all the way over the photo studio. Oh my god. Jesus, I hope the curl let me blow thing because I go move safely. feeling cute. The dress turned out well. It was so hard to put on, I kid you not, but I got a little help. And thing, you know, but like y'all, loving it, loving it, loving it, period. Showing all the deets. Happy again, and into the shoot I go. This was the ending of the shoot, y'all. I took mad pictures. I'm finna share them with y'all.
Last time I take a picture with you.